Hello students, let us see one problem students from the alkenes. What the problem? This problem was asked in the RPET in 1999. That is quite old questions. So students, what is there? Ethylene may be obtained by dehydration of which of the following with concentrated H2SO4, and temperature they have mentioned 160 to 170. Now at higher temperature students, at higher temperature, that you keep in mind, at higher temperature dehydration takes place. So dear students, with H2SO4, if you are treating alkene with higher temperature, that is dehydration will be there. Okay, this is first point. And second point, at lower temperature, at lower temperature, what will be like that 140 degrees Celsius, what is that is substitution will be taking place student. Substitution will takes place, that you keep in mind student, will takes place. So it is higher temperature is there, so that is ethylene may be obtained by dehydration of which of the following. So here the option will be option number 1 student. This is not possible, this is not possible, this is not possible. So let's have a look over it student, how the product is forming. CH3 there, and then CH2 and OH is there, and here is what is there, this is the lone pair electrons are there, and H2SO4 on ionization student, it will give that is H plus HSO4 minus. So there will be the attack of electrophile student in this way. So what the intermediate you are going to get student, CH3 CH2, and here will be that is OH2, and here is the positive charge, and this is what is known as student protonated alcohol. Of this protonated alcohol, what will happen student, loss of water will be there, so this bond will be splitting out. So what the compound is getting formed students, you can check it out. Okay, let us have the extended form of this. So how the compound is getting formed student, this is the CH, and here is C, this is the positive charge, and these are the hydrogen. Okay, now what will happen students, in the presence of base, that is HSO4 minus this one, this is the weak base, what it will do student, it will take this proton, and when it is taking this proton student, this bond is shifting out, and what the compound you are going to get here, that is another is H2SO4 plus C, here is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, here is double bond, this side hydrogen and this side hydrogen. So that is what, this is C, as it is involving in the reaction, and the same way it is getting eliminated. So it is what is acting as a catalyst student, acting as a catalyst. Okay, and is what is you are getting to form, that is ethene. So ethylene may be obtained by dehydration of which of the following. So our answer will be that is option number A, C2H5OH. Here you can say that is ethyl alcohol is getting treated with concentrated H2SO4. It is giving ethene plus water. So this is all about our answer student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel students.